Howdy folks, and welcome to Meyer Outdoors.
And on this episode, we're going to see if we can taste the difference between store-bought corn and some field corn that we got out here in this farmer's field. So, you all stay tuned. So to cook this corn, we're utilizing the Bill Grill out here tonight.
The original.
The original. This is like the Bill Grill 2.0 that we modeled our Bill Grill off of. So, anyways, we've got an assortment of corn on here, and we're gonna let it grill up, husk and all. That's the way I like to cook it when I'm on the camping it out. And then once it gets done, we know which ones are from the field and which ones are from the store, and we're gonna just see if we can taste the difference. So hang in there with us. It's gonna take a little bit for this corn to get done cooking, but we'll be back with you in a moment. Go along with our mystery corn here, we've got some ribeyes cooking over the Bill Grill. Now, just like Emeraldo, we got some salt, and we're gonna season this. Just tastes just right. So, bam! There we go. That's all she takes.
It's like old Emeraldo right
just
there.
Like Emeraldo. Well, folks, the corn's done cooking. So, kind of the moment of truth here. We're going to unhusk it. See what it looks like. This is the store-bought corn. It's kind of a yellow-white look. Mainly yellow. And this is the freshly acquired picked corn from that field back there. And, oh, I don't know, guys. It's all yellow. Kernels are a lot smaller. The tip's not, it could have maybe grown another week or so, but I mean, definitely you can see a size comparison here. You know, I mean, this is probably some genetic mutated, you know, superstore corn versus good old homegrown, but we'll see what it does. We'll see how it tastes. For comparison, after out of the husk, field corn, store corn. So, now it's time to taste test. I like a little butter.
Corn is complete unless you got the butter, salt, pepper on it.
You heard it here first, folks. No corn is complete without butter and a little salt on it. Just like old Emeraldo, I'll put a little salt on this thing. Okay. Well, alright guys, we got it cooked, salted, and buttered. So now comes the good part, the hard part.
The taste test.
The taste test. Well,
right.
let's take a chomp out of the sweet corn. This is what we're used to.
Nice and salted up. How'd you do that?
It's all in the wrist when you do it. It's all in the wrist.
That's good. Real good. That worked.
Next up the bat, some field corn.
I think Farmman would like it, but
Wow, it's
definitely different. Not genetically modified.
it tastes. There's less like juiciness to it.
Yep.
But it's gonna sound. It's like more corn to it. It's more substance than juice there.
Yeah. Not bad.
Final verdict. What do you think?
Either one's fine, I guess. The store-bought's better.
The store-bought, I think, is better. But I think in a pinch, maybe in a Hawkins Outdoors, maybe in a survival setting, if all you got's an old farmer's cornfield up there, I think you could cook you up an ear or two and, sustain yourself for a little bit on that.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's all good.
Well, kind of a little different video, folks. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching another exciting episode of Hawkins Outdoors.
Yeah, it was a good comparison, I guess.
Good comparison. Almost kind of a Forest to Fork Wild Edibles video, but I guess we could even say it's an earn it or burn it score.
God almighty. Yeah, yeah.
I mean, we could even apply that. I'd say burn it unless you have to eat it. I mean, you can eat it, but there's better options out there.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Anyways, it's both good. If you have to, whatever, get it from the field, get it from the store.
Yeah.
So yeah,
yep.
Y'all.
Thanks for watching. Check back with us next time.